808 755 1064nm Diode Laser Application. Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser. Cover the recipient's eyes with washcloths, then place the black goggles on. Apply the gel evenly to the face, maintaining a thickness of approximately 0.5 centimeters. The operator must also wear goggles. Select the treatment area size as M and skin type as 2, then tap SHR stack. Select the treatment area on the screen. Settings: Fluence, 45 joules per square centimeter, stack 1, 5, cooling level, 4. Apply a stamping technique horizontally across the entire face, ensuring the treatment head is pressed against the skin. Press the handle button for each treatment spot. Remove the goggles and washcloths. Scrape off the remaining gel. Cleanse the face with a cleansing wipe. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, serum, and cream.